Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Slack workspace data using admin export tools, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin restoring your Slack workspace data, log into your Slack admin account. Navigate to the admin dashboard by clicking on your workspace name in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Admin Settings. In the Admin Settings, find the Data Exports option on the left sidebar. Click on Data Exports to access the export tools available to admins. Choose the type of export you require based on your workspace plan. For standard workspaces, you can request a general export of public channel messages. For Plus or Enterprise Grid plans, you can request full exports, including private messages. Once you've selected your export option, click the Request Export button. You will receive an email notification once the export is ready for download. Follow the link in the email to access your export files. Download the exported data, which will typically be in a zip file format. Unzip the downloaded file to access the structured data. Inside, you'll find folders for direct messages, channel messages, and files. Review the content carefully to identify which data you wish to restore. To restore data, you will need to use Slack's import tools. Navigate back to the admin dashboard and select Import Export Data from the menu. Click on the Import tab to begin the restoration process. Select the type of data you wish to import, such as messages or files. Follow the prompts to upload the data files from your extracted export. Ensure you map any channels or users correctly during the import process. Confirm your choices and click the Start Import button. Monitor the import process indicated on the dashboard. Once complete, check the relevant channels and direct messages to verify the restoration. If you encounter issues, consult Slack's help resources for troubleshooting. This process ensures your workspace data is effectively restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.